Do you really want to burn your toast? Written by Daniel D. Maurer. Illustrated by Teresa Alberini. Jaden, let's make breakfast for Mom and Dad. Shh. Lexi, they're not up yet. Let's surprise them. I'll make toast. I'll make muffins. To do all this cooking, you'll need heat. But what is heat exactly? Heat is when energy is transferred from one thing to another. A toaster uses electricity to make heat. When you put bread in a toaster, energy is transferred to the wires inside. Heat from the wires toasts the bread. Jaden, come back! Do you want to burn the toast? Oh no, Lexi! The toast is burned. We can't serve this? Oops! That was too much heat. Heat can change things. Some changes, like when toast burns, can't be changed back. Jaden, help me with the muffins. I need 2 eggs. Don't forget to turn on the oven. The box says to set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. These numbers measure the temperature, which tells how hot or cold something is. The higher the number, the hotter the temperature is. What will happen in the oven? In the oven, the heat goes all around the muffin tin, but it doesn't just cook the tops of the muffins. Metal is a conductor. That means it lets heat transfer through it, so the muffins will cook on the bottom and sides too. As the batter bakes, the heat changes it into soft, fluffy muffins. You can't change them back into eggs, milk, flour, and baking soda. But the muffins smell delicious. Be careful when you take the muffins out of the oven, the pan will be hot. Use oven mitts to protect your hands. The oven mitts act as insulators. They don't transfer heat very well. What happens when you put the warm muffins on the counter? Heat always transfers from warmer things to cooler things. So the heat leaves the muffins and warms the cooler air around it. If you take cold butter out of the fridge, it will warm up. This happens because the warmer air transfers energy to the cold butter. Lexi, it's sunny this morning. Let's go play outside while we wait for Mom and Dad to wake up. The sun gives off heat too. Energy from the sun travels all the way to Earth and heats the surface, making it just the right temperature for us to live here. Oh no! Max ate all the muffins and the butter melted. Now what? The butter is still butter. It will change back into a solid when it cools. And we could cook some eggs. Maybe I can make toast without burning it this time. Good morning, Mom and Dad. We made breakfast for you. Thanks, kids. The end. Do you really want to burn your toast?